Hey, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. Let's take a look at a song, and it's all about the southwest tip of Scotland. And that's right, it's a Paul McCartney song called Mull of Kintyre. And that's coming up. This one's for Laney. Mull of Kintyre, oh mist rolling in from the sea. My desire is always to be here, oh Mull of Kintyre. Have I seen dark distant mountains with valleys of green, past painted deserts and sunsets on fire as they carry me home to the Mull of Kintyre. Thank goodness you're here, or I'd be here all alone looking at my DSLR. If you want to learn an easy song on guitar, well, you've come to the right place. Today we're covering Mull of Kintyre by Paul McCartney Wings. I'd like to take a second and thank you for watching my videos. And if you're a subscriber, thank you for supporting the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, have a look around. If you like what you see, subscribe for more guitar tips. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Now let's zoom in and learn Mull of Kintyre. Let me start with the chords in the song. We've got a D, a G, and an A. They're all easy open chords, but if you need help with chords and strumming, and check out the courses over at YourGuitarGuide.com. I'll leave a link in the descriptions for that. One of the great things about this song is the tempo of it. The strumming is at a slow tempo. The way we strum this is we're going to pick the lowest note in the chord, which on the D, set your hand up for the D. We're going to pick the fourth string, which is the D string. And so it's basically like a waltz. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then when we go to G, since we're already covering the G note with the 6th string with our on the 3rd fret there, that's the G. So we're gonna pick it and strum twice. And we've got the A, which is the lowest note, or the bass note I should say, is the 5th string, the A string. Easy, right? Just that you need to remember different chord progressions so that you can play all the way through the song. And then also there's bagpipes, so if you got a bagpipe in there, that'll help too. So at the very beginning, the intro is A. And then it's A again. That's when the verse starts, which on this song, it's really the chorus. The singing starts, it's A, D, A, D, A, back to A. Know how to strum it, but we've got to walk up to D. So we've got the A, pick the A string. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Far have I traveled, and much have I seen. A, open string. 2 on the 5th string. 4, and then open D string. So it's far I travel, and much have I seen. D, A, stay on the A. Deserts, the sun sets on fire. Does a walk up again, back to D. Carries me home, Mull of Kintyre, A. And then after that it goes back to the chorus, Mull of Kintyre, which is A, D, A, D, A, then it just stays on the A. So the best way to describe how many A's are in there, because this part here is going to be where the bagpipes come in. You get to the Mull of Kintyre, there's, well, it's a total of 6 A's, and 1 A is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 1 A, so that would be 12 times. You'll find in guitar you got to count a lot. Then it goes D, G, G, D, G, G, D, D, D. Then the verse starts. So that right there that I just showed you was where the bagpipes are in the song. Verse is the same as the first verse. And then it goes to the chorus, but this time on the chorus, instead of playing the A, D, A, we played the Mull of Kintyre, back to D time. And then the bagpipes come in again, and it's D, A, D, A, and the third verse begins. The verse is the same as the other verses, and it has a chorus with the A and the D again, like we played in the first part of the song. On the outro, it's Mull of Kintyre, but now we're playing the D, the G, the D, the G, the D, the G. It's Mull of Kintyre, da, 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 Mull of Kintyre. Then it's D, A, D, it's la 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 la, A, la 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 and it ends on D. So if you like that, thanks for watching and check this video out.